Hello, my name is Nancy Montiel. I am from Puerto Libertador, Córdoba. I am 23 years old. I am currently studying public accounting at UNAC. And I work at my pharmacy at my free time. I like to watch movies and go out with my friends. This is my daily routine. I get up 6 a.m. I shower and get ready. I have breakfast and I leave for the pharmacy. I go to work 7 a.m. and 10. I take a lunch break from 12 p.m. to 1 p.m. I leave work at 4 p.m. Arrive to home. I take a bath, have a snack, and start to hack with my university work. Finally, and go at big at 10 p.m. This is my daily routine. Description of image. Today we are at the beach with my family. We are doing something different. My dog is lying on a beach chair. He is wearing a red shirt with black glasses. My mother is also lying on a beach chair, wearing a green swimsuit. Luisa is taking a photo next to my mother wearing a red swimsuit. I am sunbathing next to a palm tree wearing a red swimsuit. Thank you.